Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, we're cleaning and organizing the refrigerator. If you're new here and enjoy cleaning and organizational content, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you, and let's just jump right into the video. I'm starting out by removing everything from my fridge and throwing away anything that's expired or gone bad. This is also best to do before getting groceries, which is what I did. That way you have a lot less to remove. Then I'm using this Lysol disinfecting spray and a microfiber cloth to wipe everything down inside. You can remove the drawers and shelves if you want, but I recently deep cleaned my fridge, so I didn't need to.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do.
I'm also wiping down these little bins that are from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 2, and I've found them so useful to organize our fridge without spending a lot of money.
Bad days too. And I know love is like the phases.
Now to put everything back and organize. This part always takes me a while, and I actually reorganized a couple things even after I filmed this video.
You would say I gave up way too soon. So it's gone, it's gone. Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
I also wanted to make sure that my son's snacks were where he could reach, since he likes to pick them out when he's hungry. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and found this video helpful and motivational. And if you did, please consider hitting the thumbs up button down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!